guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to Sincerely CJ TV. And today I'll be giving you guys a DIY of the trendy stacked leggings. I got these leggings from Walmart. They are a little pricey because the cheaper ones were sold out in my size, but you can find cheaper leggings pretty much anywhere. All that you will need for this DIY is 2 pair of leggings, needle and thread, sewing pins, and scissors. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. As you guys can see, I do have an extra small and I have a small. The extra small actually fit me better, so I'll be using that as the main portion of my leggings and then using the small at the bottom to actually give the stacked effect. Alright y'all, so I wasn't about to sit here and type all of this, so y'all just gonna have to hear my voice for a little bit. So those legs that we cut off, the first pair of leggings, we're gonna go ahead and turn those inside out. Alright guys, so this is going to be a very important step in this entire process. So the portion that we turned inside out, make sure that the wider side is positioned at the top and the skinnier side is positioned at the bottom. This is very important because now we're going to take our main leggings and pull them through that other portion. So we need to open up that wider side and pull our main leggings through. Once we sew these together and then you pull that portion down that was inside out, the wider side will fall at the bottom, and this is going to give you that stacked effect. So that wider side will fall over your feet and be able to fall over your shoes. And it's just going to give us that trendy stacked effect that we're going for. Alright guys, and this is what it should look like when you are all done. It's gonna look like some extra long yoga pants. And I'm gonna put them on, and here is the final look. So this is how yours should look. If they don't, try again, rewatch the video. Alright, and I just want to show you guys really quick the different ways that you can wear these. If you like it more stacked towards the bottom, you can just pull it down, and you can pull it up if you just want a little more stacked effect or scrunch towards the top. And that is it, guys. That is my DIY of the stacked leggings. If you guys like this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.